Introducing aPriori.
Here comes sensitivity analysis. Here our design team came up with some quick design and asked us to do cost analysis and give solution for the cost reduction. So we have done some volume iteration to understand what is the difference on volume iteration, and then we have done to understand what is the cost difference between region. Yeah, we know that Italy will be always cheaper than other two regions, but still how much cheaper, what is the percentage, what is the number, that's our understanding. So we have done with this region iteration, and also we have done some material iteration, like whether it is cheaper to go with the bar and tube or whether it is cheaper to go with the sheet metal. We also done some routing iteration to understand whether it's cheaper to go with the soft tooling or hard tooling. So based on this analysis, by using worst case scenario and best case scenario, we have produced a report to the design team where they can able to understand our results, and now the design is very much streamlined and looks better in terms of costing point of view.
aPriori, making profitability and sustainability a reality for a better world.